Hello everyone, this is Lily again, and this time I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful fried chicken. This is from my home country. This is Indonesian style fried chicken, and in the other side here it's fried tofu. Well, okay, let's start. Here are the ingredients that we need. I have 5 garlics here and lemongrass. I have some galangals here, some of Kafir lime leaves, ground coriander, ground turmeric, and almost a kilo of chicken thighs. So I ground the garlic there, but you can use a blender with a little of water, and then we'll put this garlic with the chicken here, and then I add hot water into it. And then I'm going to add ground coriander. I'm using about 3/4 of teaspoon ground coriander, and then same 3/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and I will put all of the other ingredients in, like the Kafir lime leaves, and then lemongrass and galangal. I'm going to crush them before I put them inside. I just decided that I'm going to use half of the galangal, and then I put them inside. Try to put them under the water. Now I'm going to mix all of the ingredients and the seasoning together. I have put salt here, so don't forget to put salt. I'm using quite a lot of salt here because I want it marinate well, the chicken, season it well. So I'm using about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 or 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and then I put more water. Just want to make sure that all of the chicken get under the water, or at least it cover the chicken level. Here I'm stirring the chicken. Just want to make sure all part of the chicken well cooked. And then I put on the lid and leave it to cook. I'm cooking about 20 minutes, so I boiled this about 20 minutes. And then it's ready to fry now. In Indonesia, usually you just put straight into the hot oil, but I'm going to use flour here because I like all of the seasoning come with the chicken. So I prepare here dry flour, and then I put this chicken, soak it with the seasoning, and then I put it into the flour. And I'm going to repeat this 2 times because I like it a bit thick flour. Fry it in the medium heat until it's brown, because the chicken already cooked actually. I just put a crunchiness into it. So it's golden brown and ready to serve. It will look like this. Oh, just beautiful, isn't it? Just like me. Okay, well, so next I'm going to prepare to fry the tofu. So this is the seasoning water from the chicken. I'm going to use it to fry the tofu. I have marinated this tofu with water and salt. And here is the batter for the tofu. I just put flour into the seasoning water from the chicken, and then I mixed it with the tofu. So I just chop the tofu, mix it with the batter, and then put them in the hot oil and then fry them until it's golden brown. So here are my food ready to eat. I'm going to have them with rice and chili sauce. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this video and subscribe if you like it. Okay, see you next time for my next cooking. Bye!